Here I have some data separated by comma. It can also be separated by spaces. I want to copy this data into Excel. So let me try to copy it. So when I try to copy, right click and paste it. See, everything got pasted into a single column. I wanted it to appear in multiple columns, but it is not. It instead pasted in the same column. So what can be done here? So I click on data and I click on convert text to columns. I select this complete column and then I click on convert text to columns. So the data is delimited by characters such as comma or tabs separate each field. Click on next. You can see preview of selected data here, how it is going to appear. See, it is selected, it is delimited by comma. Click on next. Here specify the delimiter. Here I will select comma as the delimiter. Comma or any tab is the delimiter here. I'll remove the tab and I will select only comma. You can see this is how the data will appear if I select comma as the delimiter. Click on next. So this is how the data will appear, and it is asking me to provide the destination cell. So I will provide the destination cell as A17 and click on finish. So you can see now this data is converted into a table and it is appearing in multiple columns. So earlier the data was separated with commas. It could even have been a space, but here actually when I clicked on, I converted the data into, I converted the text into columns. So now I converted the data into a table with multiple columns. I have some more data here which is separated by spaces. I will try to copy this data and put it in Excel. So I'll try to paste this data here. You can see again it has put the data in single column instead of putting it in different columns, multiple columns. It has put the data when I paste the data into Excel, it is putting everything in one column. So again I need to click on text to columns. Now this time, so I selected this column and I click on text to columns. See, Excel has by default selected the fixed width uh, file type that best describes the data. Is it has selected fixed width. When I click on next, it is showing me the delimiters. See, I can change the delimiters like this. See, I've reduced for the serial number, I've reduced the delimiter, and see, like this, drag and drop. See, here there were three, I changed it into only one. Here also only one. You can scroll this down to check whether everything is proper. You have selected everything properly. Okay, click on next. So now you can see here in the review, I have successfully divided the data into columns. Now I will click on finish. Just expand this. So now you can see that I've successfully divided the data into different columns, into multiple columns. So earlier there was space and it got pasted into single column. Now I'm able to paste it into multiple columns. So this data and the same data with space.